Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some leaked stuff coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so before we start, we do have a few things that were updated in the game that we are going to go ahead and look at first. A few pets did get updated to be rasterized, so we're going to go ahead and look at those first. The ones that were rasterized were Trip Trop, Clip Plop, and Ivory Trip Trop, or I guess that's probably not its name anymore. I can't remember, but here is Trip Trop. This is just what it looks like, rasterized. And then we have Clip Clop, which has been rasterized as well. I am surprised about this one. I assume that it was going to get the long tail like we have seen in like a few years ago. There was like artwork of this that was supposed to be coming into the game of it being rasterized, but that has not been added to it. And then we have Rhyme Hoof right here, which looks different as well. Now there is supposed to be a house item that was updated as well. It is also a morph, so we can go ahead and look at it. And here probably, yeah, here it is. The Tall Fern Morph Marble has been updated to be HD. So this is what it looks like now. It's a little too big, I think. It goes off the screen, so if we use that, we are absolutely gigantic. I think that they're gonna have to fix this, because this is just a little too big. We can also see what it looks like in the house. I do want to see what it looks like, because, yeah, it's massive. So it's probably gonna be a little too big in the house as well. So we're going to go ahead and see. It will be in the plants, and here it is. Its icon did get updated, and yeah, it is still way too big in here. So that does need to be fixed. But now we are going to be moving on to some leak stuff that is in the CDN. Alright, so the first one that we're going to be looking at is this. This is supposed to be like Lumibolt, but it's the first evolution of it. So they are adding evolutions for it. They're not in game yet, but we can also see this is its spine. And then there's also one for Lumiot, which I cannot remember the names. That might be right. But the second evolution for it looks really cool. And here is the spine for it as well. Now this next one is for the pet merge update that should be coming soon. This one is not really big. We got this like glow effect that's right here. I do believe that I have an icon for it somewhere in here. Yeah, so here that is right here. It is called Merge Rank Badge Glow. So that is going to be part of the pet merge update. Then we also have some new boots that are coming to the game, which is a little surprising. So here they are right here. These are boots 139. It's really surprising because we have not had any singular armor added to the game in over a year. We haven't gotten any singular ones since member boxes. Actually, no, they had buddies then. So it's well before the Puppet Master update that we got our last piece of singular boots or something, like any singular armor. So that is very interesting. Here is what the boots are going to look like when you're wearing them. So this is the left boot, and here's the right boot. They look exactly the same. But we do also have a leaked relic right here, which is very interesting as well. This one looks like it's storm related. I assume this should be coming with Dragon Isle. We haven't had any leaked storm relics for Dragon Isle yet, or for Dragon Isle Part 2. So that is good that we're finally getting some Dragon Isle leaks after not getting any for a while. Now we do also have two new names that are coming to the game. We got a few weeks ago. I don't think I've talked about them. I will talk about them in a few days. But the new names that were added were Fauna, which I don't really think has a name, and then Sartaj, which I have never seen that name before. I might have pronounced it wrong, but those two names were added. And then we also got some new pet relics that are coming to the game. I showed these a few days ago, these relics, so this is all of them. They've had their stuff added finally. So I think these are going to be part of a special offer that they're doing. There is a glitch where you can't actually see a special offer, but there is one there. So this one has a power 42. This one power 40 or 56, and then a power 72. So they're not that good. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. This morph is a little crazy, but yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.